Hi friends, thank you for the response to the video that we've been creating. So there was a request on a video to talk about let go. So I will divide it into two parts. One is let go. Second is respect yourself, right? उसको डोसा पसंद था तो मैंने डोसा खाना शुरू किया, फिर भी वो चली गई। उसने बोला कि हम डिस्को थक जाएंगे, मुझे क्रिकेट मैच देखना था, मैं डिस्को थक गया, फिर भी वो चली गई। उसने बोला हम आज यहाँ पे शाम बिताएंगे, मेरा मन था कि आज हम पढ़ेंगे। जो उसने बोला हमने वो किया, फिर भी वो चली गई। सो you do adjust for people, but remember, in the process you change, your likes change, your dislikes change. After some time, if that person decides to walk away, will you like the changes or not? That's a big question. I had a friend, he was in DCAC and he used to feature in close-up ads, and he used to love the heat. He will sit in the car and he will just enjoy the greenhouse effect. He had this liking, somehow he liked it. He got into a relationship, and not everybody would like a heat. So over time, he started enjoying the AC. Then, as it happens in the colleges, there was a breakup. This boy, he said, these were the statements: I wish I would have stayed the same, respected my space and respected the other person's space. If there is a person in your life who values this, both of you can be good. That is a relationship you should not let go. Most of you are in MBBS. The friends you will get and the crowd you will get, they all come in the same package. They all look alike. They all go together. But listen to people, how they behave. You're sitting in a room, you are studying, and a person walks to you and says, चल यार मूवी देखने चलते हैं. You tell him मुझे पढ़ना है. Now listen to what he says. If he says, ठीक है यार, फिर मैं जा रहा हूं उसके साथ या किसी और के साथ, let him go, because one day he will go. But अगर वो कहता है तू पढ़ ले, शाम को मूवी देखेंगे, he is your man. Never let him go. My grandmother always used to tell me, if you have one friend, you are gifted. If you have two, you are blessed. If you have three, you are schizophrenic. You have lost insight. You take everybody as your being, and not everybody is your being. Get in terms with it. But if you get a man who is ready to wait for you, he is your friend. And with few people, few relationships, you can really live a wonderful life. Problem comes when we try to talk to so many people. We increase our circles. Do we really need it? My answer is no. अच्छी खासी लाइफ अपने माँ बाप अपने एक या दो दोस्तों के साथ बीत सकती है. So make sure what choices you make during your MBBS, because during your internship preparatory year, it will have an effect on you. You will be under stress. We all will be. But these people, these surrounding people, if they are positive and they think about you, these are the people who will pull you out. And that is how the outcome of next 5 years will depend upon what you choose today. So what you choose today will decide 3 to 5 years. In next 3 to 5 years, what you choose is the investment for the next years. That is why don't try to hold on to too many things. Try to choose who choose you. Don't try to change yourself just to hold on to a relation. Don't try to adjust so that one day you lose your respect. It's very important that how God has made you, to respect that. You can always talk to your parents on this. That's a very good feedback system. They have seen you growing. They will never lie to you. Talk about your heart, how you feel, your aims, and then you can decide where to go. Give you an example. Let go and holding, the feedback system. What's your backup? What's your friends? It's all that decides the outcome. Shri Krishna was sleeping on a couch. Shri Krishna was sleeping on a couch. Duryodhan walked into the room first. On the side where his head was, there was a place to sit. Duryodhan decided to sit there. Arjun walked the next. Arjun walked the next. The other side of the bed at the head side was empty, but he decided to stand on the foot. A choice. Shri Krishna got up, saw Arjun first. Obviously, you look down. Nobody looks up when he gets up. And asked Arjun, why have you come? He said, there is a war of Mahabharata. Duryodhan immediately spoke. I came here first. Shri Krishna said, I saw him first. What do you want? I have two options. One is my large army, and on the other side is I am alone. Arjun said, Shri Krishna, I want you alone. Duryodhan smiled, because anyways, he would have chosen the large army, the weapons. Duryodhan went back to Shakuni Mama and asked Shakuni Mama that this was a choice Arjun had. And Arjun decided to choose Shri Krishna alone. Shakuni Mama told Duryodhan, great choice, feedback system. We all know the role Shri Krishna had in the war of Mahabharata. In the war of Mahabharata, when Arjun was fighting with Karna, 1:1, the arrows of Karna were just missing Arjun, were hitting the chariot. But Shri Krishna kept on sitting and guiding Arjun. Finally, Arjun won that war. Shri Krishna told Arjun, please get down from the chariot. Arjun was confused. Why should not the Krishna get down first? He got down. And the moment Shri Krishna got down, the chariot burned to fire. It was over. Khatam ho gaya wo. तो श्री कृष्ण की तरफ अर्जुन ने देखा और पूछा, ये क्यों? उन्होंने बोला, मैं तुम्हारे साथ था, उसके बावजूद भी कर्ण के तीर इस सब को खत्म कर चुके थे, इसको मैंने संभाला हुआ था। मैं तुम्हारे साथ था, उसके बाद भी कर्ण इतना बड़ा वॉरियर है कि वो तुमसे टकरा पाया अकेला। अदरवाइज ये तो पहले ही भस्म हो चुका था। इमेजिन, विदाउट द चैरियट Arjun would have never won. Choices: the army versus Shri Krishna. Outcome: Arjun defeated Karna. Fallback: Shri Krishna saving the chariot. So, it doesn't matter how glorious your support looks like. It is about how much time and input he is ready to give you. Choose people. Let go people. Learn to have your respect. Finally, you will be able to build up a better career. Your choice today decides your future, the near future and the far future. Thank you very much.